Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. So let us start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So first of all you have to open the settings app. So just click on this search box and type settings. So here is my settings app. So just click on it to open it. It's now opened, and after that just click on apps and then click on default apps. And then come to set defaults for applications, okay, in this section. And you can see here we have this search apps. So just click on it and just do a search for Google Chrome. So let me do that. And you can see guys, I have this Google Chrome, this app over here. And if you don't find Google Chrome, this app, that means you don't have Google Chrome installed on your Windows 11 computer, okay? So let me show you how you can download Google Chrome and then you can install it. So just open your Edge browser, okay, Microsoft Edge, and then go to address bar, click on it, and then type this URL google.com/Chrome, and then hit enter key on the keyboard. So let me do that. So you can see guys, I have this page opened. Let me pause the animation. Okay. So here we have this download Chrome, this button for Windows 11. So just click on this download Chrome, this button, and it will be downloaded. And after that, you can install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. And after installing, you can come over here, search for Google Chrome, and you will get Google Chrome app over here. So to make Google Chrome as your default browser on Windows 11, just click on Google Chrome, and you can see here we have this message, make Google Chrome your default browser. And next to this message, you can see here we have this set default, this button. So just click on it. Let me click on it. You can see we have this check mark and it's now done. After that, you can close the settings app. So let me close it. Okay, so if I go to my Google Chrome, click on three dots at the top right. Let me scroll down to settings. Let me click on it. And if I click on default browser, you can see Google Chrome is your default browser. I have this message, okay? So it's now done. So that's it. In this way, you can easily make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.